From falling apples to rocket launches, it's all forces. What if I told you this apple falling, this car speeding, and even you sitting still are all about force? What is force? Let's find out. In simple words, a force is a push or pull acting on an object. The scientific definition: scientifically, force is what causes an object to accelerate or change its motion. The simplest formula: force equal mass into acceleration. SI unit of force is Newton, and derived unit of force is kilogram meter per second squared. There are many different types of forces: gravity, friction, tension, normal force, applied force, magnetic force, electric force. What it matters. Force is behind every moment, every stop, and every action in the universe. Once you understand force, you understand how the world works. Ready to go deeper? Next up, Newton's laws, like you never see before. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious.